upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you navigate the wild jungle of consumerism without getting eaten alive by bad purchases. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of mirrorless cameras. Specifically, we're putting the Canon EOS R10 and the Canon EOS R50 head-to-head. So grab your popcorn, folks, because it's about to get pixelated. First up, let's talk money. The R10 is priced at a whopping $1,379, which some reviewers jokingly suggest might require selling a kidney. On the other hand, the R50 is a more wallet-friendly $799, making it a better option for those looking to save cash while still capturing amazing memories. Reviewers appreciate the value of the R50, noting that it allows them to take stunning photos without breaking the bank. Let's get to the juicy stuff: image quality. Both cameras boast a 24.2 megapixels APS circa CMOS sensor, which essentially means you're getting the same pixel count. The R10, however, features a DIGIC-X processor that enhances performance for ultra-sharp photos and videos, making it a favorite among reviewers who emphasize its excellent image quality. The R50 also has the DIGIC-X processor, and new users have found it to produce spectacular images, especially for beginners. Both cameras shine in this category, but the R10 edges out for those seeking professional results. Next up is the autofocus system. The R10 features smart subject detection technology that keeps your subject in crystal clear focus, which many users find incredibly useful for various photography genres. Meanwhile, the R50 comes with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering up to 100% by 100% of the frame. Reviewers of the R50 love this feature for its reliability in tracking subjects, making it an excellent choice for vlogging and fast action shots. Both cameras are highly regarded for their focusing capabilities. Now let's talk about continuous shooting speeds. The R10 can shoot at a mechanical shutter speed of up to 15 frames per second, which is fast enough to capture fleeting moments, earning praise from reviewers who appreciate its speed for action shots. The R50 offers 12 FPS with the electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with the electronic shutter, making it equally capable for dynamic photography. Users have found both cameras effective for capturing fast-moving subjects, so you won't be disappointed in either choice. If you're into video, listen up. The R10 records ultra-high-definition videos, while the R50 takes it a step further with 4K uncropped movie capabilities at up to 30 FPS. Reviewers highlight the R50 for its superior video quality and features like the close-up demo mode, which makes it fantastic for vlogging. Many users appreciate the R50's video performance, especially for beginners looking to create content easily. If video quality is your priority, the R50 may have the edge here. Now, let's discuss battery life. The R10 uses the Canon LPE17 battery pack, which has drawn some criticism from users for its relatively short lifespan. They recommend carrying extras for long shoots. The R50 also has battery life concerns, with users noting that it may not last through extended use without an additional battery. Both cameras have their limitations in this area, so being prepared with spare batteries is essential for either model. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 is praised for its image quality and performance, making it a great choice for more serious photographers. However, it comes at a higher price and has some limitations in battery life. The R50, on the other hand, is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and excellent video capabilities, making it ideal for beginners and vloggers alike. Though it also has battery life issues, users find it a great investment for both photography and videography. So there you have it, folks. The Canon EOS R10 and R50 are both fantastic cameras, each with their unique strengths. If you want to spend a bit more for performance, go with the R10. But if you want to keep some cash in your pocket and still get amazing shots, the R50 is your best bet. Just remember, whether you choose the R10 or the R50, the best camera is the one you have with you, unless it's a potato. Then you might want to reconsider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart shopping tips. Drop a comment below on which camera you would choose and why. Thanks for watching. Buy smart and happy snapping.